In this part important information of the Ch. Pater, at which it is needed to cast a look before exam or you must remember, such subject matters have been mentioned here at a glance, so that you can keep the important information in mind easily, specially you can make yourself confident revising these in a quick view. Physics, the study of matter and energy, branches of physics, 1, mechanics 2, heat and thermodynamics 3, sound 4, optics 5, electricity and magnetism 6, solid-state physics 7, atomic physics 8, nuclear physics 9, quantum physics 10, electronics, scientists contributing to physics who were born before Christ, Thales, Pythagoras, Democritus, Archimedes, Muslim scientists who made great contribution to physics, Ibne-Al-Haithan, Al-Hazen, Al-Masudi. Thinkers and scientists and their contribution to physics, Pythagoras, 527 BC to 497 BC, invention of a number of geometric theorem, research works on vibrating string which is used even in the present scales of musical instruments, Democritus, 460 BC to 370 BC, concept of indivisible units of matter, using the term atom for the first time in the study of physics, Archimedes, 287 BC to 212 BC, discovery of the principles of lever, propounding the law of upward force acting on bodies immersed in liquid, determining the impurity in metals, setting fire by concentrating sun rays with the help of spherical mirrors that is similar to the present-day solar cooker, Al-Hazen, 965 A. D. 1038 AD, correction of Ptolemy view by asserting the fact that we see an object because light rays from an object fall on our eyes, experiments with magnifying glass, concept of convex lens, Al-Masudi, 896 AD to 956 AD, writing an encyclopedia on the history of nature, mentioning the name of windmill for the first time that is being used for producing electricity even today, Roger Bacon, 1214 AD to 1294 AD, pioneering experimental scientific methods, Leonardo da Vinci, 1452 AD to 1519 AD, making a model of an aeroplane, concept of mechanics, invention of a few common instruments, Dr. Gilbert, 1540 AD to 1603 AD, extensive research and theory on magnetism, Snell, 1591 A. D. 1626 AD, discovering the laws of refraction of light, Huygens, 1626 AD to 1695 AD, formulating the wave theory of light, Robert Hooke, 1635 AD to 1703 AD, concept on the elastic properties of bodies, Robert Boyle, 1627 AD to 1691 AD, conducting experiments on the properties of gases at different temperatures, Von Guericke, 1602 AD to 1686 AD, invention of air pump, Roemer, 1644 AD to 1710 AD, measuring the velocity of light by studying the eclipse of a satellite of Jupiter, Kepler, 1571 AD to 1630 AD, formulating 3 laws for a general mathematical explanation of the solar-centered concept of Copernicus, formulating mathematical laws about the orbits of the planets. Galileo, 1564 AD to 1642 AD, introducing systematic observations and experiments, determine relations among physical quantities, introducing scientific trends of developing mathematical theory, defining displacement, motion, acceleration and time and determining relations among them, discovering the laws of falling bodies, establishing the foundation of statics, Sir Isaac Newton, 1642 AD to 1727 AD, discovery of mechanics, formulation of laws of mechanics, formulation of the law of universal gravitation, invention of calculus, concept of heat, sound and optics, J. Mages Watt, 1736 AD to 1819 AD, invention of steam engine which played a vital role in industrial revolution in Europe. H. C. Ørsted, 1777 AD to 1851 AD, demonstration of magnetic effect of current, J. C. Maxwell, 1831 AD to 1879 AD, demonstrating light as a kind of electromagnetic wave, establishing the electromagnetic theory by combining electric and magnetic fields, Henrik Hertz, 1857 AD to 1894 AD, discovery and production of electromagnetic radiation, Marconi, 1870 1874 AD to 19737 AD, discovery of the method of sending signals through Morse code to far-off distance, Sir J. C. Basu, 1858 AD to 1937 AD, sending energy from one place to another through electromagnetic wave, Röntgen, 1845 AD to 1923 AD, discovery of X-ray, James Becquerel, 1852 AD to 1908 AD, discovery of the radioactivity of uranium which opened the door of nuclear physics. Max Planck, 1858 AD to 1947 AD, propounding the quantum theory of radiation. Albert Einstein, 18789 AD to 1955 AD, formulation of the theory of relativity, including the epoch-making equation E = mc2. Rutherford, 1871 AD to 1937 AD, formulation of nuclear theory regarding atoms. Niels Bohr, 1885 AD to 1962 AD, concept of electron layers in hydrogen atoms. Otto Hahn, 1879 AD to 1968 AD, and Stresemann, 1902 AD to 1980 AD, invention of nuclear reactor and atom bomb. Atom bomb can never be considered as a contribution but a gently curse to mankind. Satyendra